Still holding on this trade. I will be holding this trade until TP or break even now. I'm not doing trailing stop, as this is a swing trading strategy. Price can pull down and then go higher. So yeah, there's price last night pushed down in Asia session. It actually then mitigated a valid trade, valid POI right here, and now it's continuing up again. This happened during Asia session, so I wouldn't have got into this trade anyway, just because I'm in a current trade, and if I was to get into a trade, it would be at lower prices. But yeah, when I'm updating current trades, it's a bit boring. This is part of the strategy. You just gotta, take one trade at a time, and it just is. This strategy is very boring. But if anyone is still in this trade and you struggle with when price goes against you, because we're trading the higher time frame narrative, if you go onto the daily, what I like to do is if I'm over and panicking about price pushing down. So when you look at the daily, you can see that price can push down. Like when you're on the lower time frame, it gets it's harder to handle because it looks like price is going against you. But if you look on the daily time frame, we've made a break structure, we've pulled down, now pushing up to this high. So price is still continuing to do what it does, and price can actually still come back down here to then push up again. We've actually got this daily demand right here, which price hasn't mitigated. So you could see price push down, hit this, and then go up even higher. So I'm not too concerned. I'm just going to be monitoring this trade until it hits TP. And the only way I'm getting into another trade is if price pulls down to these lower prices down here. I've taken the risk off this trade now, so it's all good. So yeah, I can see there's a few people watching, and for those people who are watching, or if you're in a trade, while there is no new trades and not really any more new analysis to go through while waiting for price to hit TP or break even, if there's any questions about the strategy, or if you want to know anything about the strategy or how I do things, how I enter, or whatever, any questions at all, pop them in the comments below and I can start replying to those questions in the daily analysis, just when we're waiting for price and there's not much going on. So yeah, that's it for the GER40 analysis this morning. If you've got any questions, put a comment below and I'll reply to them in tomorrow's analysis.